Now I'm going to explain you how to search for text in the contents of files. For that you have to select the last option. The default option is always to look for directories, but for content search you check the last option. And imagine I want to look for the word Hamburg in thousands or tens of thousands of closed transport folders. I write the word Hamburg, press enter. Now here I have to choose the folder in which I want to search, because if you leave the default folder it will look for the entire disk and it's going to take more time. So I want to look in this folder where I have many thousands of subdirectories. So you see here this folder files closed is selected. Now I want to look into emails. You can indicate what kind of file type you want to search, one or more different types. But email has the extension .eml, so I'm selecting that. And I want to look for files in the contents of files that have been saved for the last 5 years. So let's say 2015. And I want to look for file size of maximum 2 megabytes. Now the result will be presented in a file and on the screen, and here you can select the order. So I press search, and he's now first selecting all the files that have to be searched, and he has found 6,000 files that correspond to this search criteria, and he's going to look to all of them. And now he's telling you how many files he has done, how many left, and what is the time left. These searches can take some time because there are many files. You can here see downstairs what kind of results he has found, or the file names that he has found so far. And if you think that you already have enough results, you can stop in the middle, and so you click stop. And now he tells you where he will save the file results with the context, the text around the word that you searched, in this case Hamburg. And he also will display the contents of that file on the screen in the following way. Okay, the totals, and then each search result is presented with the text around it. So in this case you see Hamburg, and he puts the previous 100 characters and the following 100 characters also in the search result, so you can see the context. I'm going to explain you now how to save an email or an attachment very fast to a folder. Imagine I have this email here that I want to save to a folder CourierNet. In that case, I select the email and I write S of save space CourierNet. That's the directory I'm looking for. I press enter, and there are two different folders with CourierNet, but I want the first one, so click on that. And now I can change the name eventually if I want, and press save, and there it is. This is very handy if you are saving the whole day emails in several folders. It's much faster. Now, instead of saving the whole email including attachment, I want to save only the attachment, the PDF, into a certain folder. So I select the PDF like you see here. Again, I write here S or for save space the destination that I want to save to. That is CourierNet. Again, enter, and it shows me the several options. Select, and now I can eventually change the name, like offer, for example, and then enter, and now this file is saved into the folder CourierNet that I can check by opening the folder CourierNet. Okay, there it is. I want to show you how to attach easily a file or photo to an email and with Fileboss. In that case, imagine I'm now sending an email to a person and I want to add a photo. I know that the photo is located in a directory, something with cargo photos. But if I would normally go there, clicking to the directory structure, it would take me quite a time to reach the destination folder. So instead, I use Fileboss and I click on the attach window. So I get this white input bar. Now I write in Fileboss D for display and cargo photo. He shows me all the folders that have the words cargo photo, and I want this one. And I press enter, and now I'm in the folder cargo photos, as you can see, within less than a second. And I want the photo base of box to attach. And now I can send my email. I'll give you another example of the display function of Fileboss. It means basically that you can insert any document from any directory easily into the file that you're working on. For example, I'm working here on a text document and I want to insert a picture. So normally I would go insert picture from file, and now when I reach here I would have to click all my way to the directory structure until I get to the folder that I want to select the picture. With Fileboss you do the following. I know that the picture is located in a directory, something with cargo photos. So I write D for display, space, cargo plus photo, enter. I want this directory. Now you see that Fileboss has produced the directory structure into your input field. You press enter, and now I am in the cargo photos directory, as you can see, which saved a lot of time. And I choose the picture that I was looking for. In this video, I explain about the search expressions in Fileboss. Imagine I am looking for all the folders that contain the words Germany. So I write Germany and enter. And I have a very big quantity of directories here. So I want to narrow down more. I'm not going to choose any now. And I write, apart from Germany, I say it also should include the word agent. So Germany plus agent. And there are already less results. Now imagine I want to filter out the word Hamburg. Like for example, here you see Hamburg, and here Hamburg, and here Hamburg, because I want to see all the German agents that do not contain the word Hamburg, all the folders with that expression. So I write minus Hamburg. Minus means you do not want to include that word. So if I press enter now, you see that all the folders are presented that contain the words agent and Germany, but not Hamburg. The earlier results you saw were full of Hamburg. So now it's filtered out. And this principle is valid for any search you make. Either if you're looking for folders, if you're looking for files, file names, or if you're looking for content, words inside files.